Hey there, my name is Kaylee. In this lesson, we will build linear functions from word problems. Let's get started. Here's our first example. It says, Sarah is writing a story. She writes 5 pages every day, and she has already written 15 pages. Which of the following represents the number of pages y written after x days? So what we're trying to do here is write a linear function which normally looks like y equals mx plus b or y equals b plus mx. Either version is fine. So we're trying to find the number of pages y, so we can write y equals, and then we know that she's already written 15 pages, so that's what she starts with, and that's what our b here represents. So we can write 15 plus, we know x is the number of days, so what is a rate that she does that's every day or per day? She writes 5 pages every day, so she writes 5, so that's her rate, pages per day times the number of days, x. So our answer should look like y equals 15 plus 5x, which looks like this one right here. Nice work. Let's try another one. All right, our next one says, William is washing dishes. He washes 2 plates every minute, and he has already washed 12 plates. Which of the following represents the number of plates y washed after x minutes? So again, for reference, we're trying to write a linear equation, which typically takes a form like that. So we're trying to find the number of plates y. So y is our number of plates after x minutes. But we know that William has already washed 12 plates, so we can write that first. And now we need, our x is in minutes, so we need to find a rate that's per minute or every minute. And it says he washes 2 plates every minute. So that's our rate. 2 plates every minute times the number of minutes would give us his total number of dishes. So it will look like y equals 12 plus 2x, which is down there. Great job. Let's give one more example a try together before you do these on your own. Okay, this one says the level of water H in a tank is 9 feet. It decreases every hour by 8 inches. Which of the following represents the level of water H measured in inches depending on the number of hours T? So we are still looking for our linear relationship here. But it looks like they've changed up our variables. So we have an H and a T now. So H is the level of water in the tank. That's what we're looking for. So we're going to convert our Y to an H. Is going to be equal to still a rate. But our rate is times the number of hours T plus our starting value B. Okay. So we can say H is equal to, what is our starting value? 9 feet. We'll write 9 feet there. And now we need to find our rate. Our rate says decreases every hour by 8 inches. So decreases here, that tells us it's going down. So we're going 9 feet minus our rate of 8 inches per hour times T, the number of hours that passes. But they said we need to measure everything in inches. So we need to convert this 9 feet here to inches. So it'll be H is equal to, there's 12 inches in every foot. So 9 times 12, 108 inches minus 8 inches per hour times the number of hours. So our linear relationship looks like that. Great job. So now you will get to play the game and do the online quizzes to practice building linear functions. I'd recommend having y equals mx plus b written down when you go through these on your own so that you remember that m is your rate and b is your starting value. And keep an eye out for if it's decreasing or increasing and if you need to change units at any time. Great job. Have fun and remember to always be clever.
Hey!